I am a big fan of longwear lipsticks. Those are usually what I tend to go for. I like something that I can just put on and not worry about it throughout the day. I want to make sure that it's not going to crack, if it's going to fade, if it'll fade evenly. So today we're going to do a try on. I picked this up at Ulta. This is the Revlon Color Stay Satin Ink Longwear Lipstick. It is in the shade Your Majesty. This comes in 15 shades and the retail price is $10.99 at Ulta, so that's not too bad. My favorite go-to longwear lipsticks are from Revlon. The price is really great and their formulas I tend to like because they don't seem to dry out. They feel really light on the lips, which is what I really like. The description from the website, it says, Revlon Color Stay Satin Liquid Lipstick, say that 3 times fast. It's surprisingly comfortable, is brilliantly colorful longwear lipstick made with moisturizing black currant seed oil, and it lasts up to 16 hours. So that sounds pretty great. It says just a swipe on color and comfort in one step. No top coat necessary. It's available in 21 vivid satin finish shades. Flexible formula that moves with your lips to prevent cracked lip color. Up to 16 hours of wear. So we're going to do a try on today, kind of a first impression, see how it goes. Again, real simple face. I just want to wear it throughout the day, see how it holds up while I'm running around, especially right now, we're all wearing masks, see if it comes off on the mask when I'm going out and how it also fades throughout the day. So let's go ahead and let's give this a try. It is another doughy applicator. I do find with these that they tend to get a lot of product on the actual applicator. So sometimes when that happens, I just use my fingers and blend it in. So let's give it a try. So I already really love this shade. It's kind of like a dusty, rosy shade. It is nice. It feels very smooth, very easy to work with. Sometimes with these longwear lipsticks, you know, they dry so fast that when you're putting it on, you're like, oh my gosh, and you got to do it. You got to work so fast. But this one, it definitely gives you some time to actually apply it and make sure that it's not blotchy, which is great if you're someone like me that is not the best at putting on lipstick. We're going to do it together. Okay, so that is one coat. It definitely feels smoother. It is lightweight, which I actually really like. It does feel conditioning. That's probably the black currant seed oil and the vitamin E. It's a very pretty pinky, but not too pink. It's got a little bit of a dustiness to it, a little bit of a neutral still. I'm going to wear this and we're going to come back. I'll check it back in with you guys. It does say 16-hour wear, so we will see how it goes when I check back in with you. I will let you know what time it is. We can kind of see if it's cracked, how it's fading. Maybe it hasn't faded at all, but it definitely feels like something that I might even not need to put a lip balm on after, you know, throughout the day. I do find that a lot of times with these longwear lipsticks, if they feel very drying, I always carry around my lip balm. And actually, I wanted to show you guys my favorite lip balm ever. I got it at Whole Foods and it's from Evan Healy and it's called Whipped Shea Butter for Lips with Raspberry Seed. And this stuff is awesome. I will also link this down below. And it has that really nice like cocoa butter, shea butter smell to it. So I will check back in with you guys a little bit and we'll see how it goes. Hi guys. Okay, so we are back and it has been about 7.5 hours. I drank a lot of coffee, I ate, I went out, I wore my mask quite a few times, and I just wanted to show you that this held up pretty well. I am really happy with it. I did not have to use my lip balm at all, which was really nice. And I am very impressed with the color stay. I know I said it in the beginning, the Revlon liquid lipsticks are something that I go to on the regular. They are, I've found some of the most comfortable longwear lipsticks. So I'm really excited to share this one with you guys. I definitely think it's worth it. It was very comfortable, like I'm not wearing anything and it's still there for the most part. I mean, it's faded just a little teeny bit here and there, but it's even faded really evenly. So I would definitely recommend this. So thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Georgina Castens inside the Beauty Library, and I will see you next time.